This is my second night staying here in the house. I got some more boxes unpacked today. As you can see, things are still not completely finished. Still have to get a refrigerator, stove, and microwave. Still have to unpack quite a bit of stuff. Hopefully the rest of this things will be finished within a week, hopefully. Washing machine and dryer goes there. The big cabinet in the front room goes there over the washing machine and dryer. That cabinet there goes over the washing machine and dryer. There's the doors for the cabinet. Pantry, I have a few things in there. Still having one more shelf installed. We have to have this sink replaced. Somehow this one got cracked. And this needs a doorknob put on this door here. And I just love our little windows. So I slept on the floor last night, but I managed to get my mattress and box springs in here tonight. So I will sleep on it tonight. And I have a lot of stuff to get organized. And I still have quite a bit of stuff still to move down here. The front porch is still being worked on, and the back porch is still being worked on. So anyway, that's a little tour, and it will be fun getting everything fixed and decorated, and hopefully y'all will follow me along and join in on the fun. See you later.